This is going to be cool. We're going to take a flat image and we're going to demonstrate how we can instantly, or almost instantly, make it 3D. So what we'll start off with is going to a website, then we'll type in family photo. So let's make this totally random and roll the dice. And it'll summate both and give us a number of 12. We'll count from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Snip the image. And now we'll go to autoconvert3d.com. You want to sign up for trying it out, but I'll show you how this works. So attach the photo. This does have APIs as well. So if we go to the list of projects, what I'll do is I'll just fast forward this part until the 2-minute mark when this is done, and I'll show you what it looks like. So now we can see it's done, and it was done in 2 minutes. We'll actually open it in Cockpit 3D. Now the key here is to see it from the sides. So if we turn this to the side, you can actually see it's 3D. You see the angle of her face and how it has actually been able to quite nicely do her nose. You see his nose over here as well, and it looks fantastic. We'll burn this into crystal, and here's what it looks like. So if you're looking to get a crystal as a gift, well, you can get the highest quality, latest innovations from 3dcrystal.com. If you're an artist looking to better your offerings to your clients, well, we're happy to service and help you out with this latest software and tool. And if you're in the industry of selling 3D gifts, well, I think that we can probably help you out and provide your customers with some amazing 3D done fast. So for more information, autoconvert3d.com on the software, of course, to buy the product 3dcrystal.com.